Good morning. It is currently just after 6 a.m. here. We're currently sitting at a Liberty gas station. We're going to Flagpole Knob today. My name is Mac. I'm the proud owner of Cherry Bomb. And we're headed out with Old Bay Tacos today. Should be a good time. Let's hit the road. Alright guys, it's just after 7. We are at a McDonald's in Manassas, Virginia. It was weird when we showed up to the original rendezvous point this morning. All the power was out. It had just gone out like 15 minutes prior, so super weird. But anyway, we stopped at another McDonald's down the road, and now we have like an hour driving already behind us, and now we're getting our food. Alrighty guys, it is just past 8:30. We are just getting into Woodstock here. We had to make a quick pit stop. The Jeep that's with us is not exactly aerodynamic, and so they're burning gas pretty quick. But we're getting close. We're almost to the main meetup point at the Walmart up here, so we're getting close. Alrighty, we are in Harrisonburg. It's just a little bit after 9. We're trying to find where the rest of the crew is at because we thought we were gonna be late. So we're trying to see if anyone else has already headed up towards the trail and if we need to meet them over there. But right now we're just getting supplies from Walmart. Alrighty guys, we are at the trailhead. We're currently airing down, as you can see here. We're actually coming up, if you watched my Flagpole Knob video from last year, we're coming up the backside. We're getting right into it, but I'm very excited. Let's go. Alrighty, we're in the thick of it. Thankfully, I have my dad here to take the driver's seat so I can get the videos and pictures from a different perspective, which is awesome. But we are crawling through it. We've made it through 2 obstacles. I think there's 5 or 6 if I'm remembering correctly, but it's going great.
Alrighty, y'all, we just got done with lunch, and we're probably at the halfway point here. You'll recognize this from the last vlog I did at Flagpole Knob. And yeah, now we're gonna hit back on the trail and keep going with it. Alrighty guys, so it's pretty much the end of the day for us. People that are staying overnight are staying over here at the bottom of camp. I haven't gone out this way. It's like a different way to get out of the Flagpole Knob area, but we went over by the lake. It was a good time. We took some good photos over there, but yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for the actual trail, and now we just gotta make our way home. Alrighty, y'all, we just got down the mountain. I'm pretty tired, I'm not gonna lie. We were bouncing around all day, and then we came down this one road that you just saw that was super flat, and it was so relaxing. And so I need to get some food in me to stay awake on this road home. But we're with Fred. Everyone else either already left early or are camping, but we've got stuff to do, so we can't camp tonight. Guys, we just made it home. We were with Fred most of the way home, but he got home and we just got home, so it was a good time. Definitely noted some things I need to get for Cherry Bomb, but it was a good time and we learned a lot. Four-wheel drive is awesome, so exciting, but the future is bright. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe and watch my other videos and vlogs, but God bless. I'll see you guys next time.
Sometimes refer to me as Mac Daddy, so that would be appropriate today.
Exactly, yeah.